6:52 p.m. East Banneker, Pennsylvania. And a 38G. Supposedly it had 197 cars. So this is gonna be a lengthy 38G today. So enjoy the video here. And also, you guys gotta like the leader. Even though the horn is terrible, it's a familiar face on my channel. I'm gonna pause recording until it's here. It's a jump cut. 6:57. Here it is. And that's 38G. No, don't you don't. And 38G going to Pavonia, New Jersey. 48-45 leading. Atrocious horn I have ever heard in my life. Oh my god! Oh my god! Now the broken. Oh my god! Well, 94 placard. Interesting. Uh-oh. Oh my god. Another. They got ethanol. They got ethanol today. I got a lot of ethanol. Damn. Clear Apollo 1 east out. Oh, hot. Must be hot. Who's gonna dig it out that way? NS 38G, going to Pafonia, New Jersey, from Conway. Going off.
Norfolk Southern, milepost 36.5. No defects.